Tired of streaky windows and spending hours scrubbing glass? In 2026, window cleaning robots have gotten smarter, stronger, and way cooler. In this video, we're counting down the absolute best window cleaning robots of the year. And don't forget, all the links are in the description below. The Hubot 2S earns the title of Best Features for its exceptional blend of advanced cleaning technology, intelligent navigation, and user-friendly customization. At the heart of its innovation are the dual ultrasonic spray nozzles, which nebulize water into a fine 15 micrometers mist, effectively dissolving dust and polishing windows without leaving watermarks. This design mimics the human action of blowing breath onto glass before cleaning, ensuring a thorough cleanse. Complementing this is the edge leakage sensor technology, allowing the Hubot 2S to detect air leakage around window seals or edges, enabling it to adjust its path and maintain effective suction, even on frameless windows. The robot's AI-powered navigation system ensures comprehensive coverage by following a zigzag pattern, first horizontally, then vertically, cleaning thoroughly without missing a spot. Users can personalize their experience with the creative voice function via the Hubot app, replacing default voice prompts with any sound of their choice. The Ecovacs winbot W1 Pro earns the title of Best Value for its premium functionalities typically found in higher-end models, without a hefty price tag. At its core, it boasts dual-direction cross-auto spray technology, ensuring efficient wet cleaning by dissolving stains for easy wipe-off. Its WindSlam 3.0 path planning enables systematic back-and-forth cleaning motions, covering every inch of your windows thoroughly. The robot's 2,800 Pascal suction power guarantees a firm grip on window surfaces, enhancing both safety and cleaning effectiveness. Additionally, the edge detection technology allows it to smartly adjust its cleaning route in 0.02 seconds. Users can conveniently control the device via the Ecovacs app, and features like automatic start, voice reports, and position memory add to its user-friendly experience. It has some limitations. It requires a power cord during operation, which might restrict its mobility compared to cordless models. The water reservoir has a capacity of 60 milliliters, which may necessitate refills for larger cleaning tasks. The Hutt A1 earns the title of Best for tall buildings due to its exceptional combination of powerful suction, advanced safety features, and intelligent cleaning capabilities. At its core, it boasts a 6,000 Pascal suction power, providing a firm grip on window surfaces to prevent slipping during operation. This strong adhesion is complemented by 13 high-precision sensors, including edge detection and air pressure sensors, which enable the robot to navigate seamlessly across various glass surfaces, including frameless windows. The Hutt A1 is equipped with a 150 milliliters water tank and 4 spray nozzles, facilitating efficient cleaning by evenly distributing water across the window surface. Its 5 mm nanofiber cleaning pads are designed to absorb up to 30 grams of dust, effectively removing various types of stains, including dust, droppings, and ink. The robot offers multiple cleaning modes: N-shape, Z-shape, manual operation, repeat cleaning, and spot cleaning, allowing it to adapt to different window shapes. It's not without its drawbacks. First, it relies on a power cord during operation, which can limit flexibility and may feel cumbersome when cleaning large glass panels. It also comes at a premium price point, and for users with smaller homes, the investment might not feel fully justified. The Tosima W2 earns the title of runner-up in our top window cleaning robots of 2025, standing out for its intelligent features, robust performance, and user-friendly design. The Tosima W2 has a brushless motor delivering up to 3,800 Pascal suction power, ensuring a firm grip on window surfaces for effective cleaning. Its AI 3.0 path planning system intelligently maps out the most efficient cleaning routes, while edge detection technology allows it to navigate seamlessly across various window types. The robot's variable suction power automatically adjusts based on the dirtiness of the glass, optimizing cleaning performance without damaging the surface. Equipped with anti-fall sensors and a secure attachment mechanism, it ensures safe operation even on vertical or high-rise windows. The Tosima W2 offers multiple cleaning modes to suit different needs, and its remote control functionality adds to the user-friendly experience. It has some limitations. The robot does not include an integrated water spray system, so users need to manually moisten the cleaning pads. While it performs admirably on flat glass surfaces, it might not be as effective on textured or uneven windows. The Ecovacs winbot W2 Omni earns the title of Best Overall for its exceptional combination of advanced features, intelligent design, and user-friendly operation. This window cleaning robot stands out in the market for its comprehensive approach to automated window maintenance. At the heart of the winbot W2 is its 5,500 Pascal suction power, ensuring a firm grip on various glass surfaces, including frameless and tilting windows. The robot utilizes WinSlam 4.0 intelligent path planning, allowing it to navigate efficiently and clean thoroughly. Its 3-nozzle wide-angle spray atomization technology enhances cleaning performance by increasing water pressure and coverage. The device offers multiple cleaning modes: deep cleaning, fast cleaning, edge cleaning, and spot cleaning, accessible via the Ecovacs Home app. Additionally, the winbot W2 operates at a reduced noise level of approximately 63 dBA, ensuring a quieter cleaning experience. That wraps up our list of the best window cleaning robots of 2025. If you found your perfect match, the links are waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a smart cleaning upgrade.